Hello everyone, how you doing? Oh my god, that sounds so cringy. What's wrong with me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, what is up? My name is Ling. How you doing? So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look right here. This is a all about the skin makeup tutorial slash monochromatic bronzy glowy look, and I feel like this is the perfect makeup tutorial for someone who is in a rush to get ready in the morning, or someone who is a beginner in makeup, because the products that I use in this video, I feel like they're very easy to use for someone who is quite a novice to makeup and they really want to get into it. I feel like nowadays makeup routines, they have become much more longer, there's extra steps, but I do know that there's a lot of people out there who just doesn't have the time to contour, bake, blend 10, 15 different eyeshadows on their eyes, and to do that on a daily basis, it takes up to like an hour or 2 hours to do that type of makeup. This makeup look, it didn't even take me that long. I think it took me about 15-20 minutes, and that's with filming as well. And I really love it because it's very fresh, it's all about the skin, it doesn't look heavy at all, and the products that I use in this video is all about skin. So I use mainly Erborian products because they are like one of my favorite brands, and I'm obsessed with this in particularly. This is the Bamboo Matte, and if you guys remembered, last month I did a collaboration with Cosmetics and I actually asked Erborian if they could be a part of my box because I love this so much. There's a lot of other Erborian products that I really love, such as like the Glow Cream, and in this video I also use their new CC eye cream, which is so interesting. So this is basically a concealer, but it's a CC concealer. So if you're someone who doesn't want to wear heavy concealer and you kind of just want to put something on and get out the house, this is the perfect one because you don't need any fancy tools. You can just use your fingers, blend, and next thing you know, your bags are literally almost gone. And what I love about this is that when you first put it on, it comes out in like a white creamy color, but then once you blend it, it mimics your skin tone. It's really cool, this product right here. And it's the same with the CC cream as well. This is their high definition radiance face cream. This works really well, these two together right here. And what I love about these two is that I don't need to set, I don't need to wear a powder. I can just put it on and it just feels like a second layer of skin. So yeah, if you are interested in how to achieve this very quick glowy bronzy makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Bamboo Matte Moisturizer, and I actually use this as a primer because it hydrates but it mattifies my skin, which is like the perfect combination for my skin type, which is oily combination. Next, which is the exciting part, I'm going to be applying the CC cream, and I am in the shade Bronze. I'm going to apply this all over my face and blend it out with my fingers, and to help give my base an airbrush effect, I'm going to use a top flat foundation brush. That way my skin looks extra effortless. And just to let you guys know, the CC cream has SPF 25 in it, which is perfect because I'm all about sunscreen and protecting my skin as well. My skin looks so good and natural thanks to the CC cream. And next, I'm going to be applying the CC eye cream. I'm going to squeeze a generous amount just underneath my eyes. I'm just going to use a concealer brush. You can use any concealer brush or you can use a beauty blender. It's up to you. I just like to use a brush because I find that it blends out much easier. And I'm just going to apply that, and voila! Look how light and refreshing I look. Next, I have a little trick, which is using the Pink Perfect cream, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, squeeze a little bit onto my fingers and just blend it on top of my pores and areas where I feel like that's quite oily. Some of you guys are probably thinking why I didn't apply this underneath my CC cream, and the reason why is because I do not wear as much powder as I used to now, and in order to help control my oiliness, especially around my nose and around my pores, I am using the Pink Perfect cream, which helps mattify the skin, but it doesn't make my skin feel cakey or greasy or anything, so that is why I applied it on top of my CC cream, and it's just so perfect. Now for my favorite part, it is time to glow. I'm going to use the Glow Cream by Erborian and just apply this on the highest points of my cheeks, and with the remaining product that's on my fingers, I'm going to apply it just below my brow. That way I have like a glow all over my brow and my highest cheekbone. That way whenever I move my face around, I have that slight glow. Oh yeah, it's time to do the brows now, which is probably the most stressful but the most fun part when it comes to doing your makeup, because your brows is what shapes your eyes and shapes your face as well. And I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. It's a 4-in-1 defining and highlighting brow pencil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just follow the natural line of my eyebrows and use a spoolie and just blend it out. I also recommend that when it comes to doing natural looking brows, you want to make sure that you go in with a light hand. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my brows using the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. This is like my favorite brow gel. I have like 4 bottles of these because I just love it so much. Using the defining part of the brow pencil, I'm just going to go ahead and literally just define my eyebrows and blend out the harsh lines using an eyeshadow brush. So recently I've been playing around with a new bronzer, which is the Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Caramel, and I actually really like it because it's like a warm golden undertone. And if you're like a similar skin tone to me and you're looking for a bronzer that doesn't look too muddy or is not too red, I feel like this is like the right shade for us girls because it just really fits well with my skin tone, and yeah, it's so easy to blend out as well. So I'm applying the bronzer on the outskirts of my face and on my cheeks as well, and then with the remaining powder I'm just going to apply it all over my nose. That way it gives that extra bronzy effect. Using the same bronzer, I'm just going to go ahead and use a fluffy eyeshadow brush and apply this all over my crease. And I'm being super messy with this because I feel like when it comes to bronzy looks, I think of Supernatural, All About the Bronze. It's not really about the makeup, it's about the skin tone and the skin and the glow and the bronziness. So that's why I'm being super messy with this eyeshadow. And I'm just going to connect the eyeshadow bronzer onto my nose where I bronzed earlier as well. And that's just to help deepen my eye socket. So that way my face doesn't look too flat, because when you're Asian, girl, your face is like flat. So contouring can really help restructure our faces. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a pencil brush and just blend out my lower lash line. To add an extra depth, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Penny for Your Thoughts. Oh yes, it's like a beautiful deep red bronzer. It's so gorgeous on the eyes. I'm just going to apply this on my lash line and just buff it out into the Caramel Hoola bronzer. And oh, I love these two combinations together because it just looks so pretty and it really suits with yellowy golden skin tones. And then I'm going to apply some Ardell wispy eyelashes to help bring the look together. And we're almost done with the eye look. Just one more thing, we're just going to apply some mascara. And this is to help bind my natural lashes onto the false lashes. That way it looks more natural. And I love applying mascara on my lower lash line as well because it kind of brings like an extra sexiness to the whole entire look. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to use MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Now I'm using this specific color because it's the closest color to my natural lip color, but it's warmer. Because I'm going for a bronzy look, I want to go for like a warm bronzy nude lippy. So if you could find any lip liner that's closest shade to your natural lip color but more on the warm side, definitely go for it because it would add an extra coolness to your whole entire look. Oh my god, time to add some juiciness to the lips. We're going to apply the Lanolips Lip Luminizer in the shade Desert Glow, which is the perfect warm bronzy lip gloss slash lip balm. This makes my lips look so juicy, especially with the MAC lip liner and Strip Down. These two together, oh my god, so cute. And voila, we are done. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I really hope I helped you guys out as well. Everything that I use in this video will be linked down below. That way you guys can check it out as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will mean so much to me. And also click the bell button. Click it because you don't want to miss any videos from me, okay? Thank you so much for sticking around, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!